Bumili si Hana ulit ng mga bato. May project na naman si Hana. Pero itong project na to, umpisahan to next year. Bumili lang si Hana ngayon ng mga bato kasi baka magmahal yung bato next year. Kaya ngayon niya binili. Yan. So ang ginagawa ko, transport ko yung bato papunta doon. Si Mila naman, siya yung nag-arrange ng bato. Doon. Galing siya sa arrange. Construction worker muna tayo ngayon.
Thanks.
Si Mila na nag-arrange. Right. It's work. It's work. Alright. Job for today is done. Ito yun. Mayroon pa isang pallet doon sa labas. Kaya lang sabi ni Milan, bukas naman daw. Pahinga muna. Yan. Kasi ito yung next project ni Hana. Pero next year, again, next year summer. After ng winter. Okay? So hanggang dito, tatapusin to ni Hana. Right. Okay. So done. Everything is done. Sarap magtrabaho ng bayanihan, di ba? Ito yung maganda rito. Talagang sipag ni Milan. Ang lakas ni Milan. Ako yung nagdadala niyan, yung tile. Siya yung nag-arrange. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, nalilito ako sa arrange. Pwede ba ikaw mag-arrange? Ako na lang magdadala nitong mga bato dyan. Sabi niya, sige. Yun. At ito, may natira pa isang palit. Yan. Sabi niya, pahinga muna. Bukas naman daw uli. Okay? Okay, sabi ko bukas ulit. Same. So, tamang-tama, sabi ko kaya na bumili nga siya ng mga bato na in advance kasi pamahal ng pamahal dito yung presyo. Every year, nagmamahal. So, sabi niya, bibili na lang daw siya kaagad ng bato na gagamitin para at least secured na yung bato. Labor na lang yung babadgetan uli. Alright. Alright. So, salamat po sa inyong mga prayers doon sa bago kong vlog, yung aking mga yung mga naging masaya sa aking kasiyahan na natanggap ko ang aking temporary residence permit. Pero yung aking card pipick-upin ko pa sa August 27 ng alas 9:45 ng umaga, 9:45. So babalik ako doon para ma-pick up ko yung aking residence card. Kasi without my residence card ay wala pa talaga akong ipapakita na legal documents. Mahirap naman yung approved letter galing sa Ministry of Interior ang ipapakita ko. Kasi na-check ko na kailangan yung ipapakita mo in any legal appointments, dapat yung card, yung temporary residence card na tinatawag. So, salamat po sa mga nagsaya dahil sa aking kasiyahan. Yun. Sa mga hindi na masaya dahil hindi natupad yung kanilang mga dalangin laban sa aking kasiyahan, salamat pa rin po at nanonood kayo sa akin. So, hindi nyo man ako kinakaaliwan, kinaasaran nyo man ang aking vlog, at least nanonood kayo sa aking vlog. Salamat pa rin sa inyo. So by next I have planned to go to Philippines, not very soon, but I have planned. Hindi ko alam kung maisama ko sa Sofia kasi nga may school na siya, pero kung pwede siya mag-absent and online yung class niya, ay kung papayagan, online yung class niya, baka pwede ko siyang madala sa Pilipinas. Pero malabo si Hana na makasama gawa ng trabaho niya nga. Lalo na pag mga peak season. Gaya ng December, January, February. So, anyway. So, tapos na ang trabaho. Baka bukas uli namin bibirahin ni Milan yung isang palit.
The dad doesn't allow me to go to a nail salon, so I had to do my own nails at home. Basically, I still have the color because I'm waiting for it to dry, and I'm gonna remove
Show me. Yeah, because she wanted to go to the Vietnamese nail salon, and I said like it's a bit expensive there.
It's only 200 kron.
200 kron?
Yeah.
And how much is that now?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just borrowed mommy's nail polish.
See, it's free, right? So that 200 kron, you can spend it with your friends, with ice cream, and I think it's all looks the same
Because
compared to the Vietnamese. Yeah.
But I need to remove the color here. Because this is still a bit wet. Still a bit wet. So once it's fully dry, like maybe in 1 hour, I'm going to take off the rest of it that's here.
Yeah, but it looks beautiful. You done it well.
Yes, because
Good.
Because
First, it's free. You did not spend any penny. Secondly, you learned how to do it by yourself. DIY.
it took me 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Thirdly, maybe you could share it with your friends and you ask money from your friends. Okay, in Vietnamese it's 200 kron. Give me only 50 kron. See? Then you're gonna earn money.
Well, I wanted to do a French tip, a pink French tip with white.
Okay.
I have pink here, but this is not very good quality because I use like this ones are not good quality, but mommy's nail polishes because.
But how much you bought this then? This one.
I don't know. I just found it in the drawer.
See, it's everything free. Right? You saved 200 kron. Okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I had to choose. I wanted pink, right? But
Yeah.
this is not very good quality nail polish. It's very cheap because this is mine.
Yeah, because you cannot use expensive one when you're practicing.
Yeah, mommy has expensive, but expensive is way better because when I was painting nails, it was so clumpy and very thick. This one is light but very pigmented. So
Really?
it's like water. Sorry, this one.
Okay, that's good. Wow. Right. Okay.
I'll show you the final result once it's fully dry.
Hello, Sissy. Say hello. Hi, Sissy. Hi. Okay, time to take shower. Sarap magpapawis na. Okay, shower muna ako. Kasi maya darating na si Hana. Basta darating yan si Hana, itong aso na to, yung si Sissy, talagang naglulundag yan sa saya. Uy! You got here? Where is she? She ran here. She suddenly ran. I thought you were already inside. Look at her. She ran. Hi.
Sit. Tag.
Sydney.
Tag. Lahni.
Wala ka darling.
Sit.
Okay. So ito, nalagay na nila yung automatic box. Pero hindi pa gumagana. Hinihintay pa nila yung electrician ata. Okay. Pero nakabit na nila. Oh. Good job, Sissy. What did you buy? Bread?
Yeah. That's
Food.
for you.
Dobre. Gagawin daw to ni Mamingka ng tinapay. Ipalaman sa tinapay yung tinatawag na strudel bread. So, pinag-grind niya. Ito galing din to sa garden. Galing, di ba? Kahit yung plum, niloto niya na yung plum na kinuha namin. Tapos na siyang mag-grind. So, chinadya niya na at ipapalaman nga ito sa tinapay. Sa strudel. It's another sunny day in Czech Republic. Aabot ngayon ng 31 degrees ang temperature. Pero dito sa Europe, pag umaraw ng gano'n, maganda pa rin kasi pwede kang maglakad sa ilalim ng araw. Hindi siya gano'ng kainit kasi nga hindi humid dito sa Czech Republic pag uminit ng ito. Alas 8 ng umaga at nagbe-breakfast si Sofia. Nakikipagkwentuhan ako ng kunti kay Mamingka habang ginagrind niya yung apple. Kaya lang ayaw niyang ipakita yung kanyang sarili. Sabi niya, wag yung aking sarili. Nagiging sensitive pagdating na sa video. Kasi nahihiya na daw sila. Si Milan okay. Si Helen medyo kwan din ganun siya. Si Milan okay yan si Milan. Walang problema kay Milan yung video. So kahapon, kami ni Milan nga, nagtrabaho kami dyan sa may, dinala namin yung stone. At baka mamaya ay tatapusin namin yung mga bato para i-pile up doon sa ilalim ng garage. So ito, tingnan natin yung garden ni Mamingka. Kung may natitira pang i-harvestin, inuunti-unting pitasin tong mga kamatis. Ang dami talagang kamatis. Itong, ito. Mga bell pepper. Daming bell pepper din, oh. At least hindi na kami bumibili ng bell pepper. Okay. Yung itong patatas, ito hindi pa ito na-harvest dito. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pa na hindi na-harvest. So, unti-unti, andyan lang sila. Pag maubusan na ng patatas, hinuhukay uli. So, dito naman, ang dami talagang kamatis ni Mamingka. Ganda pa ng kamatis ni Mamingka kasi dito talagang walang abono. Compost yung ginamit na pang fertilizer. Yung gherkins ni Mamingka, nabis na, tapos na. Ito, another kamatis. Yan, o. Palagi ako nagluluto ng kinamatisan dito. Kinamatisang baboy, kinamatisang manok. Sabi niya mga sa akin, use as much as you can. Yung kamatis nga. Pero pinamimigay din ni Mamingka doon sa mga apo niya doon sa Ostrava. Pero iisa lang kasi yung pamangkin ni Hana na nakatira sa apartment, yung sarili niyang apartment. Mostly yung mga pamangkin ni Hana may sarili na talagang bahay, so mayroon din silang sariling garden. Ganito rito sa Czech Republic, pag may sarili kang bahay, may mga garden sila. Yan, dami ng hinog naman ng blackberries. Okay, yung apple tapos ng harvestin. Yung peach tapos na rin harvestin. Yung plum wala na, tapos na rin, oh. So ayan, dito lang sa garden. At least maganda sa tanawin yung garden. Sini sinisira niya yung garden ni Mamingka. Pinapagalitan siya palagi ni Mamingka. Go away! Kailangan siyang bantayan. Sisi, siguro mamaya papunta kami ni Sofia sa Opava para bibili ng another swimsuit niya. Kasi meron siyang trip sa kanyang swimming club 1 week at malayo yon, Mag-i-stay talaga sila ng 1 week sa hotel. At doon sila mag-ensayo ng 5 days. So, yun. Ganda ng araw. Sarap ng sikat ng araw. It's 2:45 in the afternoon. And we're going to town to meet Mommy Hannah. What we're gonna do in town, Pinkay?
Buy a new swimsuit.
Buy a new swimsuit.
Because I'm going for a camp, like swimming camp. And I only have 1 pair of swimsuit. I only have like 1 pair.
So you're gonna have another one? So Sophia is going for trip. 1 week trip, Pinkay? 1 week. 5 days?
I think 6 days.
6 days?
Yeah, Saturday was the last day.
Okay. Anyway.
Bye.
So it's a swimming club of Sophia. So they're going for a trip. Yeah. Let her enjoy. So bumili kami ni Sophia ng donuts. Doon sa Tesco. Ito, masarap na donuts to eh. At pumunta kami rito sa KFC. Bumili din kami ng refillable drinks. Isa lang binili namin. Tapos pag maubos, siyempre papunta kami doon para i-refill. Ganyan yung style dito. Yan. Diba? Ayos, Pinkay? Good? Filipino style, yeah? So now you know. Oh, eat this. Ito apple donut to. Sarap.
This one's not really good.
No? You don't like that one? So, hinihintay namin si Hannah rito. Kasi nasa work pa. Pero dito din yung punta namin. Nagbus lang kami ni Sophia papunta rito.
What time is it?
Isang sakay lang naman ang bus mula doon sa village. Pagbaba doon sa kanto, nilakad namin papunta rito. Inas! Nag-grocery lang kami ng konti rito. At bili ng tubig. At pagkatapos ito ay uwi na. Yan. What else we gonna buy?
Water, and that's it.
Water. Okay, let's go to for water. So ito na yung dinner namin. Malaking tinapay. Sandwich siya. May chicken breast sa loob. Palaman. Nakain na namin to nung kailan ba yun? At patigasing na yung tinapay, pero pag natunaw na sa iyong ngalang, masarap na. Yan. So this is our dinner, darling.
I have my dinner. I bought something else. I bought aski. It's a gelatin.
Really? Pinkay, you want some more? No? No? So this is gonna be mine. Mine alone. I really like Czech bread. It's like the first bite, it's like chewy, but the moment you chew it and started melting in your mouth, it's like right, tasty. Yeah. Okay, kain muna ako. So the gate is completely finished. Very nice.
Otevři si to a jak se to otevře, tak jeď. A pak se to samo zavře za 30 minut.
Ito yung parang box, automatic box.
Čafet. No, začne to blikat.
So Milan will try it.
Jo, a zajď vždycky a otevři si to a 30 vteřin to musíš stihnout i uslepit.
30 seconds. Pojď sem.
Držte ji, nebo tam mě to přejede pod foru.
30 seconds and it will close?
Já tam ještě dodělám doraz, potom to jenom provizorní, protože to nevíde už. A to je do plotu, jo? No a za 100 vteřin si to samo zavře, takže...
A to mohl bys ještě dovařit i tady, prosím.
Wow. Very nice.
Já tam dám něco, no? To jen si to schovej.
A jeden máš ty, jo?
Jeden je tam a...
That's remote control.
Okay, so you're gonna have that.
To máš, jo?
And it's a 30 seconds, and then after 30 seconds it will close by itself. So when I switch on, it stops opening, and I need to like get closer and get in. Now it's closing by itself.
Nahodit, protože jsme to přerušili v tom, na tom, ale pak jsme to žádnou vyřešili už.
Nice.
Kdyby náhodou nešel provod, počkej, až to dojede.
Jo.
Tak tady.
Very nice. Okay, that's nice. Gate is finished. So how to open it again?
By key? Or the remote control? I don't know which one. I need to put the remote control here, no? Where should I put it? No, I will leave it in the car.
Mommy, I have my... Yeah, I have my...
Jo, vem aj moji tašku, prosím.
Okay. That's nice. Very good. Okay, leave it there. I'm gonna carry it. Bye.